Hello everyone, my name is Juliana Cohen. Today is Saturday, December 18th, 2021. This is my Unit 4 case connections. I chose questions 2 and 4, so I'll get started with number 2. Alright, for scenario 1, the enzyme deficiency in the patient is the enzyme complex branched chain alpha ketoacid dehydrogenase. This enzyme is necessary to break down the branched chain amino acids valine, leucine, and isoleucine. With this deficiency, valine, leucine, and isoleucine become an essential need for the body. To help with this disease, the patient can have the proper diet with essential amino acids and also thiamine therapy. Scenario 2. The enzyme deficiency in this patient is the homogeneous state 1,2-deoxygenase. This was due to a rare autosomal recessive disorder that accumulates homogenistic acid. With this deficiency, the metabolizing of tyrosine and phenylalanine to acetate and fumarate become an essential need for the body. To help with this disease, a multivitamin diet and therapy is recommended. Alright, and scenario 3. The enzyme deficiency in the patient is enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. With this deficiency, the metabolism of phenylalanine to tyrosine becomes essential. To help with the disease, branched chain amino acids are recommended in their diet, along with phenylalanine and aspartame restriction and a low-protein diet. On to number 4 in the case connections. B12 is the vitamin deficiency of this presentation. Megaloblastic anemia is when the red blood cells are larger than normal. The deficiency of iron is the cause of an iron deficiency anemia, which is when there is a depletion of red blood cells. The cause of microcytic anemia is when B6 is deficient. This B12 deficiency impairs purine and pyrimidine metabolism by decreasing the supply of DTTP. The dihydrofolate reductase inhibitors are also affected, which cause a reduced supply of coenzyme methylene tetrahydrofolate. The potential laboratory tests that could assist the differential are a peripheral blood smear, bone marrow smear, and complete blood count. The peripheral blood smear shows hypersegmented neutrophils and macrocytosis. The bone marrow smear lab shows megakaryocytes and myeloid cells. The complete blood count lab indicates low HB, white blood cells, and platelets, along with elevated MCV. My references are on my page that I'm not going to read aloud. So other than that, thank you.